and welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia and today I have my son Nathaniel here in the kitchen with me. Hello. And today together we're going to show you how to make some easy and delicious strawberry Nutella French toast roll-ups. So in case you guys want to know how we make them, just stay tuned and we'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need your choice of white bread, fresh strawberries, Nutella, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 of a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and butter. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by rinsing out our strawberries. So here I already have mine soaking for a few minutes. So now I'm just going to rinse them. So now we're going to cut our strawberries. So make sure that you cut them in tiny little pieces like that. So just dice them. So here we have 9 strawberries. So after we dice our strawberries, we are ready to remove the crust from our bread. Okay, so just remove the crust. Just like that. Watch your fingers. Giovanni's favorite. Uncrustables. And don't worry, like the crust, you can always, use the leftover egg and dip them in there. But for us, we'll just give it to the birdies. So we're gonna make about 10. Some more bread. You like it? Having fun? Mm-hmm. Alright, so once we have removed all the crust from our bread, we are ready to roll them out and flatten them out. Okay, so we're going to flatten them out. So go roll it like you're making tortillas. Mm-hmm. What? There you go. That's good? That's good. Alrighty guys, so once your bread is flat like this, we are ready for the fun part. So we're going to stuff them. So grab your Nutella and spread it on your bread. So just add like a thin layer of it. Make sure that it's all spread like that on your bread. Okay. And then we're going to add our strawberries. Just like that. And then we're going to roll it. So roll it the long way. Just like if you're making a taquito. Just like that. Okay. So now we're going to put them on a plate and then we're going to do the same step to all of our bread. Okay. Roll it. No, yeah. You want the strawberries to be close like that.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Perfect. Okay, so don't wait until we're done with all of our bread. Alright guys, so once our bread is stuffed and rolled up, we are ready to make our egg batter. Alright, so in our bowl we're going to add our 2 eggs, our 1/4 of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, so now we're going to whisk it until we don't see the egg yolk. And at this point, I'm going to preheat my pan where we're going to be cooking our bread. All right, so once our batter looks like this, we are ready to move to our stove. Okay, guys, so I have my frying pan set on medium heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're just going to melt that. And then we're going to dip our roll-ups into our egg batter. Okay. Place it in here. Alright, so we're going to cook it for 1 minute each side or until the whole bread is beautiful golden color. Once one side looks like that, rotate it. So we want it to be this beautiful golden color all around. Alright guys, so after 4 minutes, this is what our roll-ups look like. So they are ready to be removed from our pan. Okay. And keep your stove on medium heat. You don't want it too high, otherwise it's just going to burn your French toast and it's not going to cook them all the way. So now we're just going to repeat the process until we no longer have any French toast to roll up. Add some more butter, son.
More? How much, like 2 more?
Alright, so once our French toast roll-ups are all nicely cooked, we are ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to start by making a little bit of powdered sugar. So sift some powdered sugar on your plate. Okay, I'm going to place my roll-ups. And 3 is fine. Alright, so sprinkle some more powdered sugar. Add some more strawberries. Okay, and I'm going to drizzle some chocolate syrup. And I'm going to top it with some whipped cream. So now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
Let's taste this.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes, they're ready. I'm ready. Okay, so grab one. You're gonna need your... Okay, just put it down. Okay, you guys ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Seriously, super delicious. And you might seem like they're so sweet, you know, with too much sugar, but they're perfect. What do you think? Chris, I love them. These are perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even snack. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how we make some easy and delicious strawberry Nutella French toast roll-ups. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.